Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to blur the background in OBS of my face cam. So guys, first thing that you will do is go to Google, and now from here just simply search OBS background removal. And guys, as you can see, this is from the official site of OBS. So just simply click on over here, background removal, virtual green screen. And now from here, just simply click on go to download over here. And after that, just simply go ahead and scroll down a little bit. And from here, just simply select Windows over here. Or if you are using a Linux, you can just simply click on over here. Or if you are using a Mac OS, you can just simply click over here. So guys, just click on over here, Windows installer.exe. Now just simply select a location where you are going to download it. And after that, just simply open the folder over here. And now just simply open up the file. And now once you have opened it up, just simply go ahead and click on next. And just simply select location, click on next, click on install. And from here, click on finish. And after that, once you have done that, just simply go ahead and go to your OBS. So guys, I will stop recording so I can restart my OBS. Now just simply go ahead and click on the plus icon over here. And now just simply go for your video capture device and make sure to have a webcam and click on OK. Now guys, just simply right click on the video capture device and go for filters, and now go for the effect filters and click on the plus icon over here. And as you can see, you should be able to see here background removal, and from here just simply click on OK. And from there guys, you should be able to have a background removal onto your video cam. And that's simply about it. I hope this video is helpful, and thanks for watching.